Do you find yourself able to pay attention to lectures?
My classes are 2 hours and 40 minutes long, but I would think so, yes.
Do you have some lecture notes with you?
Yes, actually in my backpack.
We can put you on a game show and test really how well you paid attention to lecture. Quizlet has an AI feature called Quizlet Magic Notes. You can take a photo of your notes and it'll create a test for you to see how well you paid attention. You can walk away with $500 cash.
I guess we'll see.
Let's do it. Let's get you on the game show.
Perfect.
Awesome. Brainpower. It's the game show that puts AI in learning. Coming to the stage from the dorm around the corner, Bailee. Hey, Bailee. Welcome to Brainpower. How we feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm excited.
You ready for this?
Okay, we'll see.
Let's do it. How many stages does Jean Piaget identify in cognitive development? Is it 2? Is it 4? Or was it 7?
I believe it's 4.
That's right.
Yes! That was easy, $50. I'm ready.
Piaget stages can be experienced in any order.
No, false.
Are you confident?
We just covered this.
Yeah, that's right. For another $50, what is the age range for the sensory motor stage?
From birth age to 2 years older, 0 to 2.
That's right. Another $50.
I love Piaget. We're good.
Next question. What is the last of Piaget's stages?
It's one of the operational stages. Oh.
Uh-oh.
The last stage is formal operational.
The correct answer is the formal operational stage.
Okay.
Got it. All right, next question. What is the process of incorporating new objects or events into existing mental structures? Behavioralism, acclimatization, or assimilation?
Oh, that's so hard. Oh no, this is a tough one. Acclimation.
That's a good guess. It is not right. It's assimilation.
Oh, dang it.
It's all right. So far, you've won $200. We've asked QChat for a difficult question. You get this right, you double your money. What would you do with that if you won it?
I would take myself and all my roommates out for a celebratory dinner, kind of girls' night at our favorite restaurant here in Runner Park. I think it would be amazing.
I love that. Let's make that happen. What is the term for the tendency of a child to focus on themselves and not understand the other ways of thinking? Is it egocentrism, animism, or is it accommodation?
I'm going to go with the first option, egocentrism.
All right. That's right.
Yes!
$400, all yours.
I can take it home.
You can.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and you can take your friends out for dinner.
Thank you. I was not expecting to do so good. I killed that.
Flawless victory.
And pays to pay attention.
Yes.
Thanks, Bailee.
Bye.
Let's go find our next contestant. Quizlet puts the AI in learning. So to try out Magic Notes and QChat in your own studying, go to Quizlet.com and sign up for free.